Hi guys, Joe here, and this is my EDC kit. So I think I've shown it once before, but it's been updated since then. So this is my Leatherman. I love multi-tools. This is the Wingman. Over here, you have a little fire kit. I love my Bic lighters. I've been using them quite a while now. You have a emergency blanket, some water tablets. On this side, you have a marker, some cordage. These are one of those radar keys that get you into the disabled toilets. That one is a general multi-purpose key. And you got a whistle for signaling. I got a mask for filters, in case of smoke, a mirror, and then some duct tape. And I think that's it. That's it for that. So what would you add and take away? Give me some advice on this. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.